Now the first step is to use Windows 11 installation assistant. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now if you see any update option or install option over here, you can install it and then you can check. In my case, it is already installed. Next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the second command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now run the third command. Once done, you can run the last command. Now restart your computer. Simply restart, and after the system restart, you can update. Still not working. Next step is to start these services. Sorry. Type in services in Windows search box. Click on services. Find app readiness. Make a double click on app readiness. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness. Click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update in the list. Scroll down. Here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update. Click on restart. Now you can go back to Windows Update. If you see retry option, you can hit retry and then update. Still not working. Go to Windows settings once again. Go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option. So click on pause over here. Once paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and let the scan complete. The scan will take some time, and once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to close all third-party applications. Make sure only the update is running, rest close everything. Uninstall any third-party anti-cheat program, like if you have Faceit, anti-cheat, Riot, Vanguard, you can uninstall it, restart your PC and then update. If you have any third-party antivirus like Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, whichever antivirus program you have, you can disable your antivirus program before you install the update. Once you're done installing the update, you can enable your antivirus program once again. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option, click on Recovery, scroll down. Now over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, you can restart your PC and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here. You can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically. This will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to update your Windows 11 to version 2.5H2. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.